Okay, starting recording. So basically, this is new thing series which I am starting. So भाई अभी हम क्या करने वाले हैं, हम बेस स्क्रिप्टिंग को स्टेप बाय स्टेप कवर करने वाले हैं. ऑल्दो मैंने ये कवर किया हुआ है, बट नाउ आई एम वर्किंग विद कुबरनेटिक्स इन माय प्रोजेक्ट. So I think it is a good time to grip my good commands on scripting also, and let's keep a video, make a video of this scripting lessons also. So हम वन बाय वन करेंगे, बट वी आर जस्ट गोइंग स्ट्रेट बाय प्रैक्टिकल लर्निंग एंड हाउ वी कैन डू दैट. सो अगर हम स्टार्ट करें तो what we will see here. Okay, control X. Suppose we are writing a script, so just a basic, you can skip this part, but if anything you want to write, you can just use nano editor. You have to install ubuntu in your system, and you can just go to the app store, and there you can install ubuntu. And once that is installed, you can open here in terminal, and then you can just simply, like, you can write here. You can just first subsystem for linux. Two things you need to, first is this one and then ubuntu. Both of these two things you need to install: windows subsystem for linux and ubuntu. After that we can start here. So let's see how many code. See, these are the, already I have made some program from practice website like HackerRank. You can go and you can also try Code War, HackerRank. These are the good website where you can learn practical. So I'm just starting with my first script. So basic, we will start from function. What is function? And then we will go ahead. We can use nano editor to view it, otherwise cat command is also there. So yeah, start basic function.sh. So if you are a oops from programming background, so you might be aware about function. But if you are from non-programming background, so you can just simply think about function to combine a code logic, or to write a function. Basically, to do activity, we will wrap up the code inside a single function, basically your name, where we can call it and do some specific function there. Basically इट इज़ जस्ट फॉर लाइक, फंक्शन क्या है कि एक पर्टिकुलर एक्टिविटी हमको परफॉर्म करनी है, उसके लिए हमने स्टेप्स लिखने हैं. दैट इज़ कॉल्ड फंक्शन. So if you are writing a script, so this is the shebang line, so you have to write always this hash, then this symbol, and then bin bash. Only after that you need to write anything. If you want to write, then you can write. You can use vi editor or nano, anyone. Vi is also there, you can just install those. So you can search on net, and then you can see those. So let's see what is function. So function name, then compound command, and then this redirection. So function name, this bracket, and then compound command, these curly brackets, and then this logic we can use. Inside logic, we can use this simple for loop. So if you are not aware about for loop, you can read that. But in for loop, it is starting from 0, and then it will run till less than 5, and then we are increasing each time this I. So that's what we are doing. And each for loop, after writing the condition in the bracket, we need to write do, and then to close this loop we need to write done. Inside that we can write our logic. Echo is for printing anything, so any command which we want to print, that we can print here. तो अभी यहाँ पे हमने क्या किया कि मतलब ये लूप चलाया, आई से स्टार्ट हुआ है, 5 तक चलेगा, एंड देन ये एक मतलब स्टेप बाय स्टेप, 1 by 1 इंक्रीज होता रहेगा. एंड देन this will be Echo is like a print, like in Python print. So it will print, and here we will, whenever we are passing variable. So this I is a variable, but it is containing some value. So we will call it variable. So what is variable? Variable is like a box. So if we say variable, so variable is like a box where we can put anything inside it, like a equals 5, b equal 6, like this. So here I is a variable. So this is the variable, and then we are going to print it. Now you are asking why is the dollar sign. So whenever any variable in Linux you are using, so for that you have to give that dollar sign so that it can be uh, converted, or this variable can be unboxed. Basically it is a boxing and unboxing concept when we comes to the programming, but here we will simply consider it like this value inside a box will come out of this, and then double quotes we have to put here, and then we can just go ahead, and then we will close the function with the curly brackets. So after that, this function we will call whatever we want to write, and then control S and then control X, and then we need to give some permission also, like chmod. This command is to give permission. You can use calculator also. So chmod 777 is like execute, write, and anything you can do this permission to the script. Which script? Like we are using this basic dot sh. Otherwise you can use u plus x command also, and this is then tab, that is also you can run any command. So this is will become executable. So अभी हमने क्या किया है, सिंपली एक हमने शिबांग लाइन लिखी, एक फंक्शन हमने यहाँ पे लिख लिया, कुछ नहीं करना है। फंक्शन का नाम हमने दे दिया है, ये ब्रैकेट मस्ट है, ये कर्ली ब्रैकेट इज नॉट नेसेसरी, इट्स ऑप्शनल, कंपाउंड कमांड। इनसाइड दिस हमको ये लॉजिक देना है, 4 से स्टार्ट होगा लूप, आई से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, आई से लेके 5 तक चलता रहेगा, और ये बार बार इंक्रीमेंट हो रहा है 5 तक का। फिर डू, जो इसको करना है, डू में इसमें को क्या करना है, इको, इको मतलब प्रिंट करना है। प्रिंट करने के बाद जो वैल्यू इसके अंदर है वो वैल्यू अनबॉक्स हो जाएगी। हमेशा हमें याद रखना है कि कभी भी हमें कोई भी बॉक्स टाइप इस टाइप से अगर वैल्यू की है तो हमको अगर उसको अनबॉक्स करना है, लिनक्स में कुछ मतलब वी कैन से कि हमें थोड़ा याद रखना ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है। सो दीज आर द थिंग्स लाइक double quotes, and then we can put these values. So this is containing this value, that's it, and then we can call this function basic function. So when we control this, that's it, and see, this is the loop which is running from 0 to till 5. So it will start from 0 or 5 times it will run. So this is the loop. Otherwise we can change this, and this is function to sh, or this one is, we can also run this one, it is also print the same thing. So what is inside this basic function 2, we can see that this is our, yeah, and here we can remove this curly bracket and it should work. So that is all we need to do, and that's it, and control S, control X, and then we can try to run this and it will also run. So we can use these curly brackets, otherwise we don't need to use them. So that's all about function, and now we will come to another part, but let's finish this video till here, and yeah, so that's all about function, that's it, thank you.